In this video, we will learn how to play Fortnite Ballistics. In Fortnite, if you want to play Fortnite Ballistics, it is extremely simple. All you need to do is scroll down to the game selection tab and you should see Fortnite Ballistics in here. If you do not see, you can scroll down to the right hand side and find it in here. If you do not find Fortnite Ballistics, you need to scroll down yet again in the Buy Epic section. You need to find Fortnite Ballistics in here. So here it is. If you do not even find Fortnite Ballistics in here, all you need to do is just click on this arrow button from the right hand side of your screen, which will maximize Buy Epic tab and loading all of the games that Epic provides. In here you will easily find the Fortnite Ballistics. Just left click on it, click on select. After you click on Fortnite Ballistics, all you need to do is from your play screen, click on Play Fortnite Ballistics and your matchmaking will be underway. After getting into Fortnite Ballistics, you can easily play this 5v5 tactical shooter from Fortnite game and enjoy as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.